Now I'd like to tell you regarding the fundamental of music. What is the fundamental of music? Generally, when we talk about the music, it automatically comes to our mind the concept of sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. That comes to our mind. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. But this system is in Hindustani classical or Indian music. But now I am going to talk about Western method. In Western method, the fundamental of music is that in Western music, the musical sounds are expressed by some character called notes. And these are the first 7 letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. These 7 letters will be used for playing the musical instruments. But when you will go to the vocal part, Western vocal, then the terms will be different. We are not going to pronounce the alphabets directly. That will become do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. In Indian classical, we use the term sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. In Western, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then in instruments, any musical instruments, whether it is keyboard, piano, ukulele, banjo, mandolin, there we use the term like this with the help of for 7 letters of the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now I will come to the next part. Next part is what? Besides this, another 5 notes will be added. Then how does it come? The 5. First you will have to remember your piano or keyboard. That you will have to know. Suppose this is your keyboard. Now you see there are white keys and black keys. These are the black keys. And this arrangement of the keys like 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3 black keys. This is the arrangement. Now before the very first note of the 2 black keys is C. Now I will talk about the natural note. Now C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. This C to this C, one group. And this group of 8 notes called an octave. O-C-T-A-V, octave. In Indian music or in Hindustani classical music, if we take C as sa, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, this group is called saptak. S-A-P-T-A-K, saptak. Originality is same. Original concept is same, but medium of expression is different. Once in Western we are using the term octave. In Hindustani classical music, this is called saptak. Now you observe the keyboard. The black keys are like this arrangement. 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3 black keys. Now you see from this C to this C, this is the boundary. You will find there are 5 black keys in between the white keys. And there are 2 keys where in between that 2 keys there are no black key. That is E and F. Between E and F and between B and C there are no black keys. And these black keys are called sharps or flats in Western music, and in Indian classical music we use the term, if we take CS sa, then the next is sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. This black will be considered as Kumal Re. This is Ga. This second black key will be considered as Kumal Re, Kumal Ga. Between Ga and Ma there is no black keys, so Ga to Ma half note. Then again this F will be considered as, in Indian classical music, F is Ma, then Tibra Ma, half note high. Then this Pa is Pa, G is Pa, Pa is Pa. In Indian classical, Pa is Pa. Then I will come to the Dha. A is Dha. So this G sharp will be considered as, in Indian classical music, Kumal Dha. This A sharp is considered as Kumal Ni, B flat. The term B flat is common in Western music. You will come to know. Another point, you see, between B and C there are no black keys. Means here you find between two notes you will find there are no sharp notes. That is B and E. B and E have no sharp. Means Indian classical also, E to F half note, B to C half note, half step only. So this is the basic concept, and this concept will be applied on your guitar fretboard or mandolin fretboard, any instruments. This concept is applied. Western also, if you take as Hindustani classical music, then also same concept almost, but little bit differences there in terms of, in Indian classical we talk about the flat terms, but in Western we use the both sharps and flats. Means what? Raising the pitch level or lowering the pitch level. This is the basic concept of fundamental of music, and the sharps and flats of the 13 notes plus. These keys are natural and these are the sharps and flats. That is, you will find in guitar also, mandolin also, in ukulele also, any instrument, any string instrument, you will find this concept. That is the fundamental.